We are back and the saw is done cutting the rock. I'm going to turn it off. We're going to let it sit for about a few seconds for everything to drip down and everything. Because when the saw goes around inside, it splashes all the oil and everything. Well, here comes the result. It's not too bad. That's pretty. I just can get the big one out. There it is. Pretty cool. Nice banding. Found that yesterday at Hector Hills. Alright. Well, thanks for watching so far. We'll hope to see you guys watch more videos.